Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close look at the GMKtec G3 Pro Mini PC, an affordable and ultra-compact desktop built for office work, general business tasks, media streaming, and everyday home computing setups. At the center of this build is the Intel Core i3-10110U processor, featuring dual cores and 4 threads with speeds reaching up to 4.1 GHz. This configuration is equipped with 16 GB of dual-channel DDR4 memory and a 512 GB solid-state drive. That hardware balance delivers quick boot times, responsive application launches, and efficient performance for multi-tab browsing, spreadsheet management, and standard productivity software right out of the box. For network performance and connectivity, the G3 Pro shines for its class. It features a fast 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port alongside modern wireless options including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. For display configurations, dual HDMI ports allow you to connect two 4K monitors simultaneously, making it a great option for dual-screen productivity workstations. In terms of physical design, the G3 Pro retains a minimal footprint that takes up almost no space on a desk. Its lightweight chassis operates quietly under typical office workloads and consumes very little power. Expansion options are also remarkably flexible for a budget system, offering dual SDIMM RAM slots and dual M.2 SSD slots for future storage upgrades. Setup is quick and user-friendly straight out of the box, offering a lightweight desktop solution for work environments, remote learning, or digital signage. While the dual-core i3 processor handles everyday daily workloads easily, power users doing heavy video editing, 3D rendering, or demanding modern AAA gaming will want a higher-end workstation with a discrete graphics card. However, for users seeking an affordable, upgradable mini PC with high-speed 2.5G networking and dual display support, the GMKtec G3 Pro delivers solid overall value. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech content, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on mini PCs. Thanks for watching.